Want to make sure your Facebook stories are saved automatically? Here is how to turn on Story Archive. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap on the three-lined icon in the top left corner. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Then select Settings. Scroll down further until you find Activity Log and tap on it. Once inside, tap the Archive button at the top left. Now, tap on Story Archive at the top left. To manage your archive settings, tap the gear icon in the top right corner. Here, you can toggle Save to Archive on or off. Make sure it's turned on to ensure your stories are saved automatically after they disappear. And there, guys, this is how to turn on Story Archive on Facebook on your phone. And if you have any questions or confusions, please comment in the comment section. And thank you for watching, guys. Peace.